Do it again. Hi. Did you bonks me? Ouch. Yeah, me too. Book it. Book it. Ow. Oh, book it. Slobberville. See a puppy. Do you see a puppy, Coco?
Hi, I'm Tricia from Nature Lover Canada, and today we are at the Ferguson Nature Trails, just a few minutes, about 5 or 7 minutes away from Rideau River Provincial Park, where we're staying for a couple of nights. We're going to do at least one or more of these trails. So we took Chloe to the dog park last night, an amazing, huge dog park, but we didn't let her off in the big area because we thought she'd never come back. It was so big and lots of trees and everything. It was a really beautiful dog park.
It was several acres.
It was several acres, but she has no recall, so we have to kind of keep her.
We didn't want to have to chase her through several acres.
Exactly. We would have had to bring an entire rotisserie chicken to get her to come back to us. So anyway, Ferguson Forest Center Trails. We're going to start by doing the Chickadee Trail, which is 1.4 kilometers before we go for our lunch. So let's go. Oh, by the way, people just came off. Beautiful dog. They were carrying their bug spray. So we're hoping we have enough bug spray on. So Ferguson's a small town just north of Kemptville. So what, you're saying we took the wrong one?
No.
We're on the Beech Trail right now. We're hoping it's veering off to Chickadee maybe. We'll see. If not, we'll be doing the Beech Trail. Oh well. C'est la vie. Well, the Beech Trail is only like 1.4. Just because we've never been here before, which seems to be what I say a lot these days. We checked the map that I downloaded on my phone, and we are definitely on the Beech Trail, not the Chickadee Trail. So there are signs. It's actually better marked than we're making it seem. So there's a sign behind me saying that we need to head this way for the Beech Trail, and a different trail heads that way. So the Lake Trail, Link Trail. So the Link Trail is what it seems. It's a link between two places. It's a beautiful morning. It's only going to be a high of 24 degrees Celsius today, which is fantastic. The trail signs are much better than we made out to be. We just missed the first sign that told us to go one way as opposed to the other. See? So, around the mud and through the forest we go. So we're hiking this trail today because Rideau River Provincial Park, where we're at, only has one trail. It's a shoreline trail, 2-point-something kilometers. We just read it this morning, I forget. And it just goes from one side of the park to the other. So it tells you how long the park is.
Slow.
That's good. I wonder if Chloe climbed up that tree here. Did Chloe climb up this tree? You're just not going to tell me? keeping it to herself. All the little secrets between Chitra and Chloe. So you can see there's a different, it's the Maple Trail that goes off that way. There's our Beech Trail symbol, so we're following this. You could easily make these shorter trails longer trails by adding them up together. If we take the Maple Trail, we should be able to get back to the main line. So like I was saying, you can put some of these trails together to make a longer hike if you want, which we are doing right now. We started on the Beech Trail and now we are going back on the one part of the Maple Trail. This sign has seen better days.
Yep.
What is that? We're back at the parking lot. Quite a nice location. Lots of trails that you could turn into quite a long trail if you needed to or wanted to. So that was the Beech Trail and part of Maple Trail at the Ferguson Forest Center, just outside of Kemptville and Rideau River Provincial Park. We're gonna head off now and have our lunch. Got some nice homemade egg salad sandwiches. Tomorrow we're going to do the Lakeshore Trail at Rideau River and walk around the park just so you can see what it's like. And then we're packing up again and heading to our next location, which is Charleston Lake Provincial Park. We hope you keep joining us. Check out the rest of the videos. We'll link it up in the upper, what corner is that? Upper right hand corner. And be sure to check back every Thursday for videos. Subscribe so you don't miss anything. And we'd love your support. Let us know what you're liking about these videos, about our channel. Check out our website at naturelover.ca for more posts and photographs and more information about parks and trails and other nature related things. So thanks again for joining me. I am Tricia from Nature Lover Canada. I'll see you out there.
We did?
Yeah. Show me.
Okay, we did. We
Wait.
went in here, we missed this. So we went up here, went over there, turned at the link trail, came back down, went this way, decided we were going to take the opposite way of the beach, came down here, and then came back this way.
Yeah.
1.3K.
Thanks for joining us. She is a good little digger. She misses her sand pit at home. That sounds like longer. Okay, so we're following the little turtle sign. Isn't it cute? Chloe, come. Good girl. Good girl. Okay.